Here's one common mistake you might be making if you would like to get really high fee clients, but you just can't seem to get those people. If your prices do not match the value that you're providing, you will repel those high-end clients, and this happens a lot. I think about one of my clients, Amy. We had just started working together. She was charging about $3,500 for a 90-day service, and she was cutting her prices, and she was tired of the clients that she was bringing into her business. And it's because she was so much better than the prices that she was charging. So she was attracting the wrong people with her pricing and with her marketing. Then she had an opportunity to close a deal, and she sent me an email and she said, Ann, I'm going to charge $10,000 for this. And I looked at it and I said, Amy, it's $50,000. Let's go for the $50,000. Well, long story short, she closed him for $50,000, and she came back, and this is what you need to hear. She said to me, if I would have gone in with the $10,000 price, they wouldn't have bought. They wouldn't have taken me seriously, and they wouldn't have thought I was very good. Boom. That's exactly what I'm talking about. So everything has to be in alignment when you're trying to bring in ultra high fee clients. By the way, I have a workshop coming up where I show you how to bring in clients at $25,000, $50,000, $75,000, even much more. If you want to attend that next workshop, then go and apply now at expertinyouworkshop.com, and let's stop leaving money on the table in your coaching or consulting business. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.